My name is Saya, and I'd like to introduce you to HUMAX Top Fill Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Here at Pure Enrichment, we're passionate about inspiring a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Our premium, sleekly designed products are here to enhance the way you care for yourself, your home, and your family. Now let's talk about HUMAX. HUMAX features a sleek exterior and boasts a coverage area of up to 300 square feet, making it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, nurseries, and offices. Its true top fill design means you can easily pour water into the top of the humidifier for mess-free refills with a built-in water window ensuring you'll never overfill the large 3.7-liter tank. As soon as you turn it on, a cool mist emits and begins balancing the room's humidity level to help fight dry skin, relieve congestion, coughs, and dry throats. The easy touch control panel allows you to switch between 3 mist settings, 3 timer settings, and even an optional nightlight to regulate the climate for better sleep and relief from cold-like symptoms and sinus issues all year long. With a tank capacity of almost a whole gallon, its wide opening and large base makes this true top fill humidifier easy to fill and even easier to clean. If that's not enough, HUMAX comes with the Pure Enrichment promise that the product was thoughtfully designed, thoroughly tested, and comes from a brand that is trusted by millions. And if you ever need assistance, our US-based customer service team is available 7 days a week. I mean, what's not to love? Start experiencing top-notch humidification now with the HUMAX Top Fill Humidifier.
The Paris RhôNE Ultrasonic Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier is a smart and stylish device that helps improve your air quality. With a capacity of 4 liters, it's easy to refill from the top. The humidifier maintains the optimal humidity level in auto mist mode. Also, you can adjust the mist output between 3 mist settings. Simply detach the cover to clean. Add a few drops of essential oils into the aroma pad and relax with a soothing fragrance. The nightlight gently emits a soft glow. Select the sleep mode to turn off the display light and nightlight for a cozy sleep. Paris RhôNE.
Introducing the Honeywell Top Fill Cool Moisture Tower Humidifier. This humidifier provides dry air relief with a unique design that makes filling, using, and cleaning easy. Choose from 2 easy ways to fill. Use a pitcher to pour water directly into the tank, or fill the removable tank at the sink. The space-saving tower design is ideal for large living areas. You choose the humidity level that's right for you. The unit will cycle on and off to keep you comfortable. The natural evaporative technology uses a wicking filter, which becomes saturated. Then a fan draws the cool and visible moisture into the room. The wicking filter captures minerals from the water, helping to reduce white dust, and is easy to replace. For a convenient and effective way to relieve dry air discomfort, try the Honeywell Top Fill Cool Moisture Tower Humidifier. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.
The Levoit Smart Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier gives you complete control over your comfort. Its unique hybrid design lets you choose between warm and cool mist with distinct benefits for both. But your options don't stop there. The V-Sync app gives you control over smart settings so you can create your ideal experience. Customized timers and schedules lets you enjoy healthy humidity whenever you need it most. You can also monitor humidity levels at home on the app so you always know when the air is too dry. The humidifier can even maintain your preferred relative humidity level to maximize your comfort. If you're away from your phone, you can always control the humidifier with easy voice commands. The top-fill design lets you easily refill the water tank whenever you need, and its large capacity provides humidity for up to 50 hours. The humidifier powerfully covers large spaces, making it perfect for virtually any room in your house. To get the most out of the mist, you can also rotate the 360-degree nozzle in any direction you like. When it's time for bed, you can add soothing essential oils to help you relax. While you're at it, turn on sleep mode to ensure the humidifier won't keep you up at night. Together, the Smart Humidifier's convenient settings and powerful performance will provide relief from dry air and unpleasant symptoms all year long, so you can always feel comfortable at home.